this video, we're going to look at some of the common environments that you're most likely to experience when you come through to an event or a conference on the Virtuworks platform. We're going to start in the lobby. In this video, we're going to cover some of the basic fundamentals of one of the features in the lobby, speed networking. Speed networking is a fun way to interact with new people and have very quick conversations where you can deliver your elevator pitch and find out if you can make new contacts. It's pretty simple to use, so let's take a look. If you look at the board in the front of this session, you will see three key buttons: join queue, leave session, start networking. You'll see that there's already 3 people waiting in this queue. So if I click join, I will be added to the queue to go through. If there's no one else around and we're ready to go, let's click start. I am automatically teleported into a seat with some of the guys around me. Depending on where my camera is, we'll switch where the board is, so I always have full view of the system and to see how much time I have left to speak. When this session is completed, it will automatically at random swap me around so that I can speak to someone new. This system is joinable at any point and will cycle through new additions into the queue system and into the actual speed networking area once the timer goes down to 0 and starts the next minute over. Some more items to understand about this is that at any point you can click on a person, and if you'd like to know more information, you can view their player card. The player card shows some basic information about this user, and if you wish to know more about them, it will send a request through. The user can then select which information they want to share, and that information will get stored on your system once you click save to a document on your hard drive. That time ran out, and you can see I've now been switched with a new user. These zones are also private, so the conversations that you have within them are private to whoever is at the table with you. That means the people to the left of me over here on that table cannot hear what I say, and likewise I cannot hear what they say. Once the session is completed, it will swap again, or if you wish to leave, you can then click leave session. It will teleport you out, and the next people can jump in to continue the networking session. And that's it. That's speed networking. In this video, we're going to look at some of the avatar-based features found when clicking on someone else's avatar. In this instance, the person on my right, if I click on them with a single left-click button, it brings up a small menu that allows me to get some additional information on them. We've already covered the player card in the speed networking video. Another one that we can use over here is the follow. So if I had to click follow on this person, and this person had to start walking, I would automatically follow them and stop when they stop. This is good if you have a tour guide or someone who is showing you through a specific area to make sure that you always keep pace and are able to be within hearing range of them. By moving away from the follow menu, it disables the follow by either using a point and click away from the person or your WASD mouse and keyboard combination to break the follow. We also covered the ability to see player cards in speed networking. So if someone else clicks on me, and they want to view more information, I will be granted with a menu like this. And that using this menu, I can share which information I wish to share. In this case, I'll share all 3. When I click share, my information that I have created when creating my account and my email address, phone number, and LinkedIn profile will be shared with the other user, and that will allow us to then network outside the Virtuworks platform. That is the player card functionality. In this video, we're also going to cover networking zones, another feature found in the Virtuworks lobby. Private zones or networking zones are used where you can network with individuals who join and leave based on the information that they can see displayed on the screen. This is useful because it allows you to selectively choose who you want to network with, or if you think that the conversation may be interesting to you based on the needs that you may have as a business or an individual, you can quickly see the industry and job title of the people inside. Once you enter yourself, your credentials also get displayed, and in this private zone, people outside the bubble can't hear you. If I have to take a seat, I can interact with the people around me. And if I had to leave, my name and credentials get removed. That is the networking zone in the lobby. In this video, we're going to cover another feature in the VirtuWorks lobby, and that's the Video Forest. The Video Forest is a collection of highly tailored and selected media for you to consume, all of them relevant to the theme of the exhibition or event that you're attending. In them, you will find valuable information, areas that could help expand your business, or just really interesting messages that may be beneficial to you as a person, or give you insight into different ways that you can consume things in your business. We highly recommend you give it a look, and you might find something that's really beneficial to you. In this video, we will look at the elevator bank, or the physical doors that you can use to get to any of the other places in the event space. Let's take a look. In a previous video, we talked about the teleport system, which, when expanding your HUD wheel and pointing the bottom arrow out, you get a teleport menu to take you to any of the different venues. The alternate means of entering and exiting a scene is through a physical door. So all of the rooms that you see in your teleport menu will be mirrored in the rooms around the teleport area as well. In any of these rooms, there will be an exit door clearly marked with an exit sign above it, and using that will take you back to the lobby, which is the central hub for all the rooms in the VirtuWorks event platform.